Europe's medical regulator is set to give its verdict on the safety of the AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine after concerns about blood clots. At least 13 EU member states, including Germany and France, have suspended use of the shot, pending the verdict. Now, the European Medical Agency is investigating reports of 30 unusual blood disorders out of 5 million people who have received the shot in the EU. So far, the regulator has said that it believes that there's no indication of a serious problem, though. AstraZeneca's rollout in Europe has been hit by problems from the start. At the end of January, Germany ruled that the vaccine should not be given to over 65s due to a lack of data. And just a day later, the European Medicines Agency approved use for all adults, and Germany reversed its earlier decision. And then a week ago, Denmark became the first country to suspend the AstraZeneca vaccine after a 60-year-old woman died from blood clot complications. Austria and Norway also paused their own rollouts. Germany, Italy and France followed. In Asia, Thailand was first to suspend the shot, but only briefly. Indonesia was also put their rollout on hold as well. Now, AstraZeneca maintains that the shot is safe, and it is backed by the WHO, which says that it's better to take the vaccine than not. Now, the AstraZeneca shot has also received backing from India. It says that it will continue to use the vaccine as infections reach a 3-month high. Ishan Garg tells us more.
The Oxford AstraZeneca jab is sold in India under the name Covishield. It's the primary vaccine that India is using at the moment. The aim is to vaccinate 300 million by August. Authorities here are sticking to it.
And I again assure you that we have no signal of concern in this regard. And therefore, clearly, our program with Covishield implementation, Covishield vaccination in the country will go on with full vigor.
Authorities argue that so far a causal relationship between the vaccine and blood clots has not been established, and scientists here are monitoring the situation. Experts say the benefits of continuing with the vaccine significantly outweigh the risks, especially as cases of COVID-19 are once again spiking. India recorded more than 35,000 cases on Thursday. It was the highest number in the past 3.5 months. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asked state governments to ramp up testing and is urging people to sincerely follow safety guidelines. But out on the streets, precaution fatigue can be seen setting in, which is why authorities are now imposing night curfews in some cities as well as restrictions on public gathering. They are hoping to stop a second wave of infections that experts say could hit India in the second half of this year. Ishan Garg, CNA, New Delhi.